Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up B1G Player using Downloader. If you face any login issues or need the playlist format, message me on WhatsApp. Open the Downloader app and top the URL field. Type 9866980, then press Go to start downloading. When the download finishes, tap Install. After installation, open the B1G Player app. Select Link 1. Enter the username and password exactly as provided, then click on Sign In. Once logged in, you will reach the app's dashboard. Remember, we are only demonstrating app setup, not showing any channels. If you need help with the playlist format or login details, message me on WhatsApp. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.